doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now.
Boy, honey bee, gotta love the way you look at me. It's too hard.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another shower routine video. This time around we're going to be mixing it with hair care routine. First thing first, we're going to start by steaming my hair. I've been suffering with flaky itchy scalp, so I'm trying to find a solution to it. So we're going to start by mixing Tresemme anti-breakage conditioner, argan oil, keratin treatment, milk. I'll be mixing them together, rub it all over my hair, then I will steam my hair. So let us get into it. It's been 15 minutes, so I think it's time for us to take this off so that we can just head to the shower. Next, we're going to start off with my oral hygiene. I've been using Sensodyne and presently is the only toothpaste I enjoy using. So let us get into it. Next, I'm going in with my charcoal whitening mouthwash. I normally use the toothpaste, but when I went back to the supermarket, the toothpaste was not available, so I pick up the mouthwash and there's nothing to complain about. So after that, I'm going to start by washing my hair. For shampoo and conditioner, I will be using Mega Growth. The shampoo lathers so well, but the conditioner is just like the normal conditioner, but I enjoy the shampoo so much. So let us get into it. Next is conditioner. This is my first time using their shampoo and conditioner, but I think I found my new favorite. The shampoo lathers so well and the conditioner softens my hair so good. It makes it easier for me to comb. And the reason why I actually went to use texturizer on my hair and end up with a bond scalp was because I wanted to soften my hair, but I feel like that was a mistake. For my first cleanse, I'm going to exfoliate my body with Dove body wash in shea butter and vanilla scent. Next, I'm going to start scrubbing my body with Dove body scrub in pomegranate and shea butter scent. I think shea butter is becoming my favorite scent because I've been picking it lately. So let us get into it. Next, I'm going to start shaving. I got this shaving stick 3 months ago. It comes 3 in a pack and is very sharp and easy to use. It's actually men's shaving stick, very easy. It comes with 6 blades in it. So let us start shaving.
All she talking about is come and see me. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. How she hit me with a come and see me. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start?
For my feet, I'll be using a foot buffer to scrub my legs until I'm satisfied.
Make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel.
For my last cleanse, I'm going to be using the Glow Getter Multi Oil Body Wash from Naturium. For this body wash, a little goes a long way. It hydrates your body easily and it lathers so well. For people that have used it, I'm very sure they can testify to it. It's a really good body wash. This is actually my first bottle, but I'm definitely enjoying it. Next, I'm going to start washing my face with CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. Even though I'm planning on changing my first cleanser, this is the one I'm using for now. So let us get into it. Next, I'll be going in with Femme Fresh for our sister down there. That's my go-to feminine wash for now. It's time for skincare, so I'll be going in with Vanilla EOS body lotion. I'll be mixing that with Vaseline oil. Then for my face care, I'll be going in with Good Molecule face toner in niacinamide. Then I'll be using the ordinary face serum. Then my face lotion, my one and only face moisturizer is Simple Face Moisturizer Replenish. And actually, I don't even change my face care product, but this time around I'm breaking out so bad because it is that time of the month and I always get something on my face when it is that time, so there's nothing to complain about for here. For now, let's get into it.
Way I make it feel, how hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. Oh, it's decorated. This thing's getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you. Yeah. What she talking about is come and see me. Come and see me for once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. They throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the bill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave the side, but I don't really fight. Me, I'm moving quiet. All the things you try, and let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You're a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah. I need you inspired, I need you excited, I don't wanna fight. Yeah. I figure out you figure out me, we both a different breed. I'm following your lead, I ask you what you need, you say guaranteed. I mean, you say that like it's easy. You never believe me, so yeah, I got keys for these other girls sleeping.